also for Makwaba. You better drink more fire and cassa, ya brabo. And who here pa and come a bay dent the cultural number to 1441. So the bay as I should be or about media fast one, so peace will be sama quickly. No, I send the 1441. Another pay in one man over to drink commode me so. And that crime in him, some said, Nana Hima said, dear you, you knew about gifty auntie. Be friend a doctor, be friend a sister. You knew about gifty dear. Unim no Ghana, I be afraid of Abba, and I be a doomsday intra. Gifty a crop.
Yeah, dear.
The last time I shared in you,
the official pa.
I feel come to
a official pa, and a happy. Birthday,
yeah, BB, okay.
Because me who we are
yeah, Chetty, a canning album. And Kwame Udini and Clive and answer Clive. Clive, okay, Clive, Kwame, I'll tell you as I know.
Oh, that
Clive Kwame Fusuhine. Now, for the purpose of this program, the best friend of Kwame said a baby here. Kwame, a lecturer, information security communication, Mount Crest University College, and now we're becoming who I train como. And then you can't catch them saying, come on, I bet you know. Oh, but near see, be a bad then I buy a see, be a queen who be now or son who fasten now, month for 2 ago. So, hey, what near for when you abuse it then when ya. Na yes, and the bass and the ABC who say, Sadia na abana a cosuno. Ye, a beboy. I was here twasso. Sir, Ubi mistakenly say, Bibisa ba, Ubet me see a no quine. And I say, in your piabon temper, you be General Musa, Nafi, and Nanamsa. And a Bibisa question be very simple. We a parent, Oba Ako University of Eho. Now, what to say, in Funi Biaba. Sign out here, I'll be feeling. Only will be quite sorry. Sandra B. Veronica B. Now, what to see, as one also let the habo. Send it here. Unia ban, and I unia be maybe. What to see, as in a deja dasuna, you didn't know about it. One casacra, no so also, oh dear Abasano. Send it here. And you see BC Begro. And I say, a idea be a bar, is it something I was here, dear China? To be sure, say free gift. A baby bray, and now crab to see be a bar. Oh, I know Adam for be a fro. Is it the in thing now? This idea a banana.
I say, TK, senior Sikain, and Rammy TMT, read ne mammy, ne papa. Madame for be will group be say your banker. Say your banker. Me yem to say na dream na mean to mean that. Just what you want to ask you. And we are saying you soon, Cecilia. Because me who first to know. If I see cafe me or catch me first now, me na me call and be with me. And I'm say it's your name down for phone, dear grown and down for phone no. Because of cost standing for a into your media banner. Then I no pay so me buy yes you see or no. Just say what you want to ask you. Well, yeah, be before no sebe. You be a bruni ye be a befano. Na ya say no. And ka WhatsApp ye by ye. Ka ye disunya de. Me ne wo ye de broadcasting. Because oh sharing and ye program we now dey share. Between me ne wo nkomo bia na ye di. There's no privacy anymore. Untumi ye nje obi nya pe na chese me nyaw. Ewiase yesu. Nti o say yesu ye die ho say there's nothing fashionable about Nyekoswi.
Really?
There's nothing.
There's 3 days ago, make a newspaper be or baby ask more can see if you've got it, flaunt it.
Oh, please.
Please say.
Oh,
so
please.
So I'm a man for
Sabi Abrofun crack him Kardashian Neom govern Abrofuni Bia why they condemn it. Abrofun mu ye maybe mu feel say Kim Kardashian koye and a man no a bar into fame near them. And no crap no. There are people, a lot of people who condemn her. Who say that it is not right?
Obey. Is there or is there not some pride? Be say, Mwankasa Mokasa, no say ususu say wo bibi. Efe. Now would be done a dear mamma for who be lunch or some more can say me lunch.
Who says what I would say it to me cut out one issues.
I say lunch at now.
Oh, Jai. Missy, and that program I may enumerate about what do young men of today look out for in a woman. Mbema isisu no then omo hwe wo embamu. Nenum bema young men, professional men na say be who shout to me say oh, especially a young widow say oh we dey unya say kwame mu say. Me say ba ko say oni na damfo omo call club. Omo ne mba na call you. No omo call ye no omo hwe girls na ntare omo hye bi mo yi omo ho ne ade any smoking and drinking and about say hey nti emba ye be wari ni ana na ba ko ka che de na damfo ka che so there be emba na ye be wari no omo mother.
And now
thank you very much. Me say it was an eye opener. O say emba na ye wari no omo ye be wari omo no, and these are all professional omo di na CEOs omo young you know achievers omo own companies. They are doing well. Say sebe oba feel say unya no warrior wo future bi. O say mba ye be wari no. E be wari omo no. Omo mada enye omo go club no. A omo yi omo ho no. So it's something say ye mba you say ye dream. Sometimes when you na ye na sometimes because of embezzlement you. You feel say ye pleasing embezzlement. But have we even thought about to say then na obema ehwe wo ba mu. Yanka sakra no then na ye maye.
No, but gift is sa de na wo emamu no a ema mo pese mo ye bibi e kire mema no enye natural enye mbema na so na my feeling because of yes obema woni ukunu nam and now woni boyfriend nam now we feel say wa dress ni ade nam a e bia woni kwame na obi betwem na say wa hyehye a oh wa hyedwa na kwame adani niya madani biti na wo hwe it also feel say sabe competition it also person we be bi kwa nya say wo hwe bia na person tene ko say bia wa driver che
esewara but no stress sabe yin bia esono bia obi wo ha men ka sabe omo dress sa no munya kunu no omo so wo mo ho mbema
yeah.
Well, opia one home, but so be yourself. One kasa, then a year mouth. Then now feel say we are comfortable. Sebi, se me bet so bet na say me shatai na say short. Na me turn na me twitwia. That means se me yakasa minim say ade a me mission. It's not good.
But still adi pa kono wo hye.
Obehye.
But what's not twitwi?
Because of either peer pressure or I mean I don't want to use certain words to feel say blindly following fashion. But that's not it.
But a idea as say eba pao. Eba said the no mo ka ho asem no be your opportunity ahwa other people wo ho na e dia ba.
Just me who say a idea why ye no dida and na say a new one.
Me a gift unim me obo break wa say. Me be say kwame ase but me some be say how is it like say oba where you ho na obi etwa say na etie. Does it feel good? And as I say oyo oba so be ma o twa no say na ya etienti prepare na be ya no one for more so motifie no e bi kura wo kura wa twa bi say kura wa fa wo be twa bi em now text me how do you feel but kwame gift kasa do kan bibi the fact that ade na wo twa na say say your privacy no aye breached just say e ho atochema so much so that as a with technology nti ye ni bi can we say no ye ni privacy bi em
make us say technology and I say technology abano technology a me say nipa e ba be complement say uye bibia e boa be ka ho e ma de na wo ye no utimi di ko ani na technology hu sensem no say wo ka say wo ka e adehunu and ansa na be ka say me fa bibi aye ana me fa bibia ye technology de aboa me ankasa me ho no se osua ade ne ho ana so fa ade ne mu nimde ansa na watimi ayusu ade no ye fa bibi ti say WhatsApp any Facebook
yeah
de bia me ni pehia me bisa say ansa na ye ba ma wakonya say ye ma wakonya timi mu abie kwan o WhatsApp so na Facebook so watimi di anam so ene onam fofo adi nkita ho no broni ni ma wakonya say ese one ne kwa pambi and a contract and sana wetimi assign up
yeah
you must say you say you read this and man and sign up
agree so sad never pen we bisa say agree or don't go straight to agree what is the
anti sa ho pepre na yenya e de yes and man no sa ho pepre na yesanya e dane ade nani amane be before
because kwa me wa adwin bi se bruni onye me bone in fact asem na ode ba nyina I agree ti me kwa me pe baby kura agree no wodo no ma click on tem kura no manya kwan ko de pese me ye no
de say hu ni say onipa wo ye technology no ye won kofo bebre so mo sua ade ne hu nindie a won so pe de ade bone ndi ankasa ade papa bia no bone e bata ho enti se wo yusu bibia e betimi aboa ama wetimi atumpon a yemfo obi ti se calibos minim se calibos YouTube ene ne comic yeah what they ban and a man is shooting into fame enti ebi mu yusu the same at the corner amount for the year if you try who pictures e beto to abonten no e sa the corner so no bi so di ye etim di nya adwuma anaso di pesika say ebi mu ton nema e wo e use technology di ton nema ebi mu di use technology di kanyame asem ebi di ye ebi nkra texts ni ade kwa say ye applications amoma o hwe taxi kra na utimi the technology no e reach out
na ye opeduane kra na ye obabi wo ho without sounding say me advert na ye ba ko bi say hello food so what wo dem na santan ye ba yen famra privacy asem e wo issues of technology every year bia na omo ye ade ho adwuma no omo kan sintin say wo ne ma e bom ho no ana ho nsem e bi di omo ho no omo bo ho ban ko si say one kasa obegia to me say afi ontimi no mo entna anantimi no mo mobiem okay
nanso nipa boni fo bebre aba for instance say wo ko Facebook anase me ko WhatsApp ni social media na social interaction enye social deviant enti ontimi nka say enam say menya akonya say me ko Facebook ni ntino me so me ba be use sa akonya no e da ye me pe omo so wo rules and regulations ade a obetimi di social media na ye enti say social media no anase internet no government bi enu ha own internet but every government has a control within his country say obetimi asoppress e say China cry no e fa Facebook no WhatsApp omo censor because you say I
Ghana cry ye
no because China
Ghana the Ghana ye for China
a burden almost censor so they be youth no enye badly affected by the social media no and na me kire nkola no de na make say na de na say wo hwe Facebook on pornography obitimi be to be page and am say woni nipa no ye friends no na be da wo page
exactly wo be kire who because recently asori bi Uganda ha so for penny pa or da no or caution no mo ban ne ho no say nipa bi no de mfoni bi sa ba betoto ne page so onim ho hwe sa de no be kirem say eye den na ye possible what be bi abahwa na santana de abra wo hwe kra na ahwe na fe wasan a kirem say ne yetimi de video bi beto page bi sa ye say o pesa wo so we be bi sa wo say o pesa wo hwe ana ana o pesa wo hwe so wo kan say ani o wo kan say da bi o obebi am wa hwe onim say say no
na mami fanchire mu free baby a posting na koso on Facebook ansa na odi bibi beto Facebook no ebusa wo say o pesa wo de kire enipa dodo sen na sen hwan na pesa mu say wo yo obi a anasa obi a pesa o post bibia no and am say ko Facebook ya accept obi as friends because obi a wonnim no wonnim ni bibia won aba no ama notification because we are friend to e bia wadamfo bi that is the connection of Facebook friends of friends and obi di bibi beto obi na say woni nipa no e wo apan bi o Facebook a the one page no etimi ba wo su page ma wo
in fact say me beti hoyi na ma hu say yi bia pop up say me accept friend na me who gift anti one ma click say you no onyo no
wa accept it is send pan so the be to the page likely say you be pushing some amount because mo a social interaction na enhyehyɛ ya ho ne say wo send pan na wo hu sa de no wo so wo hu akonya say wutimi block send pan no from your page
you block it
yeah wutimi eyi ni pan free onamfofo nim because say they be ameka chen kolansa ade e ko internet bia no it stays online wo betimi delete your computer so ba server na da so so enam sakrama me kan bi obi ko page mo ba bi ye ni interview we ni ade no mo nhye da hu ni suban potin ni ade no mo ko he ni social media communications ya wo ye ni sa ne ma
mo ye sa ne ma ni na say
yeah e de hwe ni pa no e de hwe ni pa no ni relation with and ni suni ne ma wo ye ena emu sa mutimi di
gina so mutimu bi mo say obi akọ ne interview bi an certificates or the akire or the CV akire ye besen akọ ye chi akọ hwe say ne nkoma wo di no social media nso so no e so ye ko hwe no so
omo say company is serious about social interaction
me kwa me
oh yes sir
me kwa kwa me fa enkofo
no me yes oh yes strict do
me because say me yem ba ho adwuma enti I have to portray a certain image
okay
na me nkasa me perfect people but senior who portray yourself out there no it's very important enti me maybe we be
can say personally to say unia baby say twam for ni bi say ba na say ni pana be pie wani ma say na be deal with that person if I also count there no kwa yes
it is dynamic and na I want to give to you can say or your companies be brave yes ade no say dey be ya on person mu nipa no esu ene ne ban enti obi ho no mo a ono ko join social media na what bibia to se keke enti wonim se da chi bi no ebi aba ko pe minister bi ana ba bi ba ko pe bibi na obi akwa twe saa information na free baby na de aba na de beka enti nema bebre ko so na bi enne bi na ebi na wani age a wo ye ana wo chena bi no refi se obi ba ko fa saa image no e da ba be gine ba bi aka asem enti se wo ye bibi wo social media na e ko akiri pa ene wo de wo no wonim se de wo ye na ye but do bia obi a oben obi a so no enim se ade a wo ye say ni betimi eden edo akwa kosi
say bibi say or the atoso
aha what bibi say atoso na
what they say how does it feel saying oh yes na aye
and to so na hwe from say ono na de to so ana say
obi na de to so
na de to so
say enti kwa me pesa obo me wa ha say na me gift mrem and say betimi aka say o ebi a me hye me dem me ho me mahota aba and me twa me ho e o me phone so meant me secure no so much so that enko bi anchen
mobile phones na ka me beka ho asem mobile phones device are very 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 important I say hu hia pa but ebetime say dienya pa especially e okwan bebre so de bi am ka chenko for say wa wo twa picture ne dia to phones no eye wo no won kan contract na wo no won temo asem but say ekodi nipa bone phone nsem a the possibility say nipa de betimi akọ chance on it high especially yen fan say me lose me phone ira obi a ne phone number wo so bia ho kire no
okay
ebetimi implicate obi a wo phone so bia
okay
enti de bia wo Yusuf na ade ba ko say yen security aspect of coding and also the password and na password more den ye password bia ye say password bia keke password a obi betimi adwen wo say password ni na say nipa no wa bre and so otimi bo information ho ba because na obi iPhone and na obi phone na yi mu a obi hu ni ID card obi hu ni complimentary card obi hu ni information
bank account
obi life nyina hye ne mobile phone we say we use mobile phone sa na na so we very very careful especially with Android phones aba most of the apps now all flaws so etimi communicate information to a third party without the consent of even the Android makers and the bags be brave or more developed say apps be downloading no and also more be brave na manfo share that they are too far etimi bie o mobile phone ho akwanya baabi
e ma bitimi wura mu koye bibi
almost had the SMS card can ho a utimi nya SMS bit say link o click so a it exposes your machine to be our conversation or SMS away nyina no somebody can be sitting somewhere having access to these things
ye beba so kwe say enintino den ye beye because ene no eba wo ho a say WhatsApp ya be wo ho afoforo beba wo ho afoforo beba then de bibi hwanyan bebre kwa WhatsApp isu kwe ye yusu nwie enso so still e ba e wa akire enti ye behwe sad but gift me mi sabiem me usa hu pictures no biem how does it feel say ube gina ho am obi atwa sa na aba then eba abonten sa na in your estimation send the city
you Tiki I tried not to be judgmental because yeni na you crazy moments when you won down for share or feel say you are letting your head down me say me call girls school into first say me wo baby embamoa na me sisami ho a enye me hwe but who nim obia ojina baby twa e bi kwa who hu so twa some of them nearby say no utumi say obi o ha ojina nechi obi also onim po say ye twa no obi o so be ko be manifesto na wa set camera onim em se kwa me be kan obi o hokora na ne laptop esisu kra no na e twa e film na onim it is sia no just say I'm not guessing na ye
say phone be say them say a bar mountain emotion no but them somebody still no be of course yent me emmo e wo ha say na kwame you ready say be asem bi a gifty e kan no asem say me ko bi fi a intimate me de mani ahunu say bibi hye ho a e be twa me ana because bi anka be ko na nka bibi bo ho posi bi bo ho a me say o camera na bo ho no no you better address sad so
yeah you on the laptop maybe so quite blank me one so it's on now it's filming wow it's filming see I don't know the world is not nice anymore
it's not nice
anymore just say ebia what down for crap munim say you keep secrets say be mudi kokonsa kakra mako bi
wa so de ye nyina ye na eden so
especially if it's about somebody when that I be so who now will say na say we try to me say maybe I me ko baby na me say era o ye me beats man me try man so atare we any we echo if she say ni ne ko and of course me say complete ya na say me say pa me try top ni pe but you don't know what the person can use it to do. Just one day bia obia full so your dofo obia onim say woni ne close something about he or she is upset or person revenge then your mom munim computer me say you bet me the picture and I is something else what satire you to me you somehow no they can work on
part I didn't feel
she say it me part I me boy it me part I really feel
it reminds me of Tobekaya na say gentleman be our say the girlfriend a jano and you know one say answer son adwina what the pictures back on Facebook and indeed he did fortunately okay
he did
he had not to but then he has did
why say newe obi o so asem
I don't know gift no say nipa na
say nipa egu weni mase and it takes a lot of strength and determination and zeal. You can't, but it takes a long time and it has to depend on you to turn your story around, to turn your life around. To say Sebi, okay fine, it happened to me. Me faso die tu nkrofofo. And the young people can say Sebi ye can we and yes say ye bonida and I say ye holier than thou. But emu say ye bepe say ye nuanom ketua na eba no. Sebi mistakes ni bia ebia yanum ye fa ye hu di no. Say see wo ya wo fa hu di. Ye ko school no time ye was secondary school no. WhatsApp ni e picture with phone. E bi ni ho. Enti wutumi yi hu from bathroom. E call wo dormitory onam ho free. I mean one be twa one be yi. Now so we say wutumi ye. Tawo so mu krapa. But you can't. Wow, so they have to be extra careful. Yan kola ni kwa, yan penny for ni kwa.
A gifty. Argentina, obi aye, abeto abonten. Ya ti ya kan ho asema recently, I think a musician bi Ghana. Or can pain in an interview, say okra when opportunity make us. And she said, sir, it is something on per se e bi beto obaby ada. And all caution in yamba. But somebody who is gleefully
and I make us a minim say no why the daw and na because of near air banty obidi aba out say ye foforo just say I know the assembly fiance air banty and no pay me to say police for no say a central omo behwehwem omo hu because so see on one or the two out there it's against the law and all that no to me and I said be yenya emba no and be so hwa o can na amu hu say be e bia wenyin oh babrewa o kasa dodo wonim nya wo kan you don't know what's up say no musica is the in thing you know what I mean you know you don't know what is am feel say that is what will shoot them to stardom that misremo na make can say
sremo dey ever train who ba be sorry na dey sremo be ba
no me say there's something called the curse of stardom say be say wo be wo in the public space it's not easy it is not easy onia uni it don't rush
what's there who did no cross gift I don't know to track phone okay right do I make a camera kwam the BBC asase no say yentimi nye bibia say okay me on my phone me ma hotel beba me twa me pictures all right gift can say be me kwa kostra obi betimi a develop bibia metimi ehunu say aha and where we betimi atwa me bibi. Can we be that conscious and then
a bit difficult to detect because even crap pen pen some of the pen are camera and video by nature. I will be to me the Shannon's in bottom a office could meeting at the better bonting. Ain't a difficult say, Ube who say, Ubi a monitor, especially. But the other symptoms I be a cell phone and I'll be a monitor and I'll be a wire type. There are certain things I'll be who, some laptop no be a hacking into Ube to me and symptoms in kitty be. But say, meet me who. Say, why do now Connie may be swa? One shadow who say laptop no say, Bibi Hana now, Bibi are using technology we use no. Say a statistic behavior in a way, when you so closely monitored on Shenyama, I didn't cast our use no behavior. It will say Bibia, battery and I share. If you say be our charge and now we use watch it. Okay. And now if we send the battery and run it down, because it be a battery in the essay. These are all some of the sentences a bit me so be a hacking into your system. A planty BB and I didn't hear Juma. Enti your kwan be bra betimi afa so wan kasa wa ho ade ne de obetimi acheke ho because for instance me call party bi ana me call sorry ana bibia e say self in sign na be brain no because of smart nature no amanko phone so is smart because smartphones amanko phone is smart enti obi ho ko ba bia obi kra tiato aka e bo no ka kwan no be the phone charge ato
instead so be save no
o charge ato abonten because you hu ni say that is the only way betting entertaining nipa. You see, in crofo situations are bad ni entertaining crofo, and that is the most dangerous thing that the nation should look at. And I say
recently, Ubi message myself, Abu Birin, and I said, crofo the honor mucha. Be the first to report. Ama
technology ni use no. Me dey am catch crofo say entiase no. Crofo be bring tin am ase. So otiminya iPhone, and now otiminya phone obetimi de WhatsApp and Facebook aguso. Now we team be account na for nyakonya sa pimtimi post bi am nkofo hwe de a eni bibi ono ni feel bia no obetimi that so bibi ti say email kra no untimi send email e man nkofo abramu hia it's a criminal offense say obe flooding nkofo inbox
and so they keep coming
because obi ntimi control because internet ni obi adia and obi ntimi ka say government of Ghana ntimi ka say the whole of internet ntimi control but ejina oman na nkasa adwen ni enhyehyeye so me dey am ka say enne e be dia ma Africa pa say Africa betimi agina ne na so ka say enne ye block and ye boy youth no amomo this is Africa because ye fa bibia ne ya nkyeremu yi ya nkyere yen Facebook ba ya na manfo free high five boom e ko hwe ni Facebook WhatsApp ba ya ne ko free one echo join here but it's WhatsApp here then yes we me test it yes e cheaper but man for free every say e cheaper mpokura na utua obi asɛn na wade ne kura na wo download
data enti woni data untumi nye
enti amafo adwen mu no e free Viber yes Viber e free call enti no na me use me data voice call fanye but every say data no so utua but ni nyina mu so hu say who use technology it goes with a certain flaws and certain privacy say one kasa na wote won say hu say iPad am use ade am ko download e betimi di sunsan so abreme ana phone am etoi ba bia me ko ginan e betimi di sunsan so abu especially betimi nya ne phone say won de ko cycle won da mo obi won nya chip film no we join the code ni bibia me se nipa ne plant software bi e betimi e drop your conversation obeda hu
yetimi yesa so woti obi bi udi nkomo no woti agbogba udi nkomo no to security
there's a lot of apps aba ene waiting the go phone so one of wife we be person monitor na wife na ya wife ni calls wonya SMS wonya nyina betimi tra internet so ahwe abra
software we here for
Android amom use Android ni iOS nyina
ya for betimi download
e be mobile tracker okay free software bia yo we dey better so dey fa never born one kasa wo monitor one kasa system iPhone say o ma develop ni bi wo ma phone era so we register with that particular app now ubetimi dey ahwehwe ba bia phone wo
hwe nkomo we yentimi ni nwie nti so san ba biem but what we do is that I was say dey biem nti maybe I was say you planning and san yakobat sa app no ya na o ma gift no ma so bi ansan say be I go find to but quickly me bought text message na gift yes we nua ba no say comfort ti won mo kan say bibi na ha no nti no yes bibi an ha no or no na dwe no dey yes I'm react to that and then as an advocate are we doing enough because for example you say publication of obscene material and Are we doing enough? What number newspapers never also? How do you feel? Are we doing enough? And a person who addresses are but quickly maybe text messages or say sometimes people take others well covered pictures, edit them and put them into nudity. Is it true, sir? Okay, yes, Antino. Or see, also so our then the moon say be crazy up politician will be and be TK. And then pa beba ubia dwunim was what will come into your mind. Say me dia bibia mama dwunim. For you to go to the to video somebody's nakedness. And David say, God forgive us. In fact, he should really forgive us. Now, hello TK. Or say the girls of today always want to do something on tape to see themselves and know what they think about themselves, and such a thing. Unfortunately, when they give their phones and laptops to them, we text no why we. But basically, the all can say or say acquire a hotel be a big ram man. Person much less say, Kwame, oh no, and I give to yes, a person mama phone who say yeah.
I got it. I got it.
I think they do it to please their partners.
It's true. It's true. First time they buy and say make a Facebook now, made sure trying to educate the young ones, you know.
Yeah.
Some of the guys made Facebook friends, you know, which I ended up deleting them outside the country, you know. They were like, I should stop what I'm doing. Then some of them, they're outside. That's what they want. I mean, that's what they jazz on your money, you know. It turns them on because some who are broachy. The girlfriend were her a bar, so no shine, and I'm seeing me catch them. Say, listen, oh girlfriend work her now. We shine to shall bed then. Will you masturbate or you go for another girl? Because when you watch it, you get a trigger baby. Into now, the only be about for Frakoda. Now I say, wow, no, who be there go? What sense does it make? What sense does it make?
Your man can be almost a question, but quickly, enter the lady no kai now done. We are that's all when I ready. Let's let it roll. TK. This is satanic lust. We did no. Okay. Nti yanhwe na fe yanhwe de okan no e fast asem no.
I won't do any blame game. Nobody paid me nothing. I posted everything myself. I'm not on drugs. They can come and test my blood. What is my cause? Biomedical and forensic science. Check background before you act. I won't do any blame game. Nobody paid me nothing. I posted everything myself. I'm not on drugs. They can come and test my blood. What is my cause? Biomedical and forensic science. Check background before you act.
Gifty.
Biometric and forensic science.
Yeah, or kind of course, no.
I mean,
in fact, all kind of lectures in
media because now me good with science. So be a science. Be a my friends are being. You know, biometric and forensic science.
Forensics.
I mean, such a brilliant an asset that we could have as a nation. Sabi, can be a color now, dear. Now, what's trying to cry? I'm not saying that she's on drugs or whatever it is, but I'll say in your clinical psychologist.
The brazen posture be our take is a man.
Exactly. Because about out, like, you know. Show face like you know, so what, I'm happy and so what, yes, I've done it, but Abia inside, you know, deep down inside she's dying. Deep down inside, you know, she's broken. But okay, let me take this defensive kind of approach, you know. Intermediate me more dear make us say yanto ya boase me de bia se nyam sika wokaya itamale de buy nya say don't let us judge them. Let's talk to them. Let's take it say she didn't know any better. She still doesn't understand how this can affect her. She look at such a beautiful girl, intelligent girl. She meaning say Kevas omenya oba as president Krada. She was going for that position. Sheniaba. It will affect every single woman who tries to stand up to contest that position for a very long time. It will take a really strong woman who is determined and a change of the psychology of the student.
On the contrary, for a woman, they say no crowd between them and now win it because the Okujina her boys need to go so they might vote for her.
Then they're not education, no, not
another thing I give to me, person, memoir can once and maybe back me on say. Suddenly, ba abonteno. Young share, young condemn. because so one aba obehwe na sebi Mr. Meka obi wodin TV star and nekwa be chim ye ka so obi TV star na de be radio star no de stars ne se na de ho asem bi ne de abeto ho na ye bone ye send command crofo what do we do with it? Should we encourage it? Should we receive them? Na ye mfanya de be
I think so we shouldn't encourage it.
Okay, the memo address is what Kwame. I don't know they go to your girl no say ya no ankasa she did the posting or yeah the forensic give you na be kai
bio computer forensic or
biochemistry and forensic science.
Forensic science and even forensic science they delve into a lot of research and investigative sort of now obetimi akasa because and be den say parent bia betimi akasa me wo fema grip I will me baso because technology abano and they will stop in the demo obeka bonti akoye will stop in a bontia obeko baby fufra akoye enti de say obi agitu ni say technology ni de amase ebese nipa enipa adwen ene ni nsusuye enema ede bone ba beta bibi ho because for WhatsApp by Facebook obi a embrace obi de adwuma ebi mu de ye enema bebre. It is be found
to sister no bad. I mean sister in it's a marrying on sure most Ghana haiti.
Enti abeboama enema be pray
na bran kokwado as your SRC yes.
Wa hwe oba no ho fefefe SRC president.
Na nkana
kono kwa aspire for bibi. Na me de me fam adwen ko psychological side no because me say sometimes nipa adwen mu no ya na bibi ti pressure. Oh yeah. A bit man we win and I be shoot into fame because I do go fame when you say fame the man nipa it me win bibi but the be American say technology as it is a very vital tool be here on a brabum but so we be doing na se went nya so ye dia then it means say one person will put yourself in the hot waters because we do ho ba obi anso be suma kan ho bi say we have freelance journalists our momonte camera room
no
they are just going bloggers
and a some no one open cemetery
and Osha and youth na ba no emotional development bibia has taken place on the internet parents ni bibia ignore mama no we be parents because ntimo mama no mo internet so dey na mo hwe mo no mo din komo fa ho e betima ba say omo ye born before computers BBC but utimi no mo din komo en fa hu no age omo duru utimi busa no na WhatsApp no kaye den e dey na mo dey ye ne ade and na nipa bibia adwen mu ni say oh so far say Facebook there your pictures near the tour and if a bibia or bibia tour amumram na enkyeresa amukra no timi they have amode emrebu or say okan a so what they are debia all the to say contradict one castle rules and regulations of the land it can be prosecuted based on the country's own jurisdiction enti so ban no free so betimi ayi bibi keke e de egu ni hu fia enyo man Ghana she can be taken on nintirikra na yese one copy be to say Islamic country mu take sane may be very serious edruba bi kra na BlackBerry no mo ma ho kwan say government benya access say on be timeti ni pan komodi a mo ye of because of terrorists near identity but and almost yes almost my kind almost ya pamamo mamo fam BlackBerry bi ama na say Obama declare say all Facebook, Google, near don't collaborate with the government. So we be fight terrorism and these are some of the things that ever
I said be kanka no ye call abontene man for ko twetwen komo me pese ye tie no briefly na sa asem no me pese ye heda betena se ne yesan e ka biem se mo be giso sa se abanya take posture bi se ohun se e threat nti no opese oboa gift minim se bi a so what to say yes so ya page ye musa if not then na was say ye minim say UN for some time now omo run a course on cyber security our University of Pomezia, Italy. Every year, last year I had an invitation meant to be on this year, because we are very serious about it. Now, for you parents now, more call Facebook near there, I don't know. I may recommend movie we afraid of trust. Trust. Every parent should watch. You give to our parent. Oh yes, every parent should watch this. Trust. But you prepare your voice pop no men kan asma Dominic or TK we nyina na imam for nim no munim or say ignorance obi wa wonim TK the girl is description mean to me enka but also say enkope doctor man or say na dwene mu da ho Ubinsu says the girl is fooling. TK information gathered from campus says the lady has drug-related issue or say onibi. Well, that is what she says. Ufuri from Jakiti says, can I get the gentleman's number to learn more? Hey, when you sure say software now, baby. Anyway, I'm just pulling your legs. It's a number to learn more from him and protect ourselves. But yeah, just all come Mount Crest now. But like, let's pick interior amount for so I can find maybe so. Amount for now, once I can be no. Once so much of my dinner. Here, TB. Now, you may pose here.
Dem say engine say wo arent na wo girlfriend and now wo ba wo peno na wo ne ba ko have sex na wo sound so aside ascend there na say one fa obu ana say any dia ma oba no and even kwans why be kwati akwa na enu kwan say wo dey wo de wo ye video na wo de send wo na fofo na say wo de send amanfo ma oba no ugwani mase ndimi mu de enye se mi kwa na mi ankasa kwa no egu mi hu fi eni ni pa kwa na wa ya sa na so no egu ni hu fi e ma enhye Ghana ni manyam enu kwa kwa se wo yo mang papa wo ya sa de no emwa pana medlate because me feel bad am sa ni pa no me forward ma enko gu bi eni mase e wo sanka empanifo nsu do mo na sa de ne so na omoye bibi fa ho se hu saade na e wo se ye chi woni pa kwano ye chi wana se ola no ye o se network na use no ye block ola no ma un use sa network no kra bi sana me meet maka
e be good me phone is so cry. I don't think say me share. I'll just delete it because it's not good, and I'll not advise anybody to do it or WhatsApp it or something, and I instantly need see nya. The first person obenya no anka so unblock minister we ban the any buy no the way omutimi block ya anko out no. Yeah, we should have something like that.
Me say it's not good. So if the government can do anything about it, they should stop because they are trying to copy blindly from the whites. They do those kind of things, and they in their country is different from here. Me say no, my friends, most of them don't do that. Although there are a few black sheep among them, but almost send them. I made delete.
My dream if I want to say enye because obi no obi ko hia sa na ati say ode ba ama nkonfo hu a sana say umbu hu bi sa no because ubu hu na obu nipa no so ne yes sa na nka umfempie and moreover I think it's not right in Tebeya. The ministers in charge of communication they should come up with like medium me block issues with sex tapes because I don't know they about out na they ngwase na eba send for reputation any hunkakaye. I even don't encourage such videos are about their mempe nti anyone say me entertain such videos.
Oh there be enye me share na enya me delete me fa mo bia because me demand pa ba ko a e bet ma spread akwa.
Leaders should come in so that they find a way of punishing those people who are capable of doing this thing so that it will put a stop to it. It's a very wrong thing to do.
Well, dear among for a canon. Give me my last word in Tikwame. Among for we can be said, I was a Ghana, you take a certain posture. Just a little, because you're upon Nanka next time, this and give it to me, baby. You said, then you beat me. What can we be about China? Maybe you better head the China for I know. You beat me incorporating the way system.
Government beat me, I intervene Africa by educating. Na me no be can say na me name group will be a 40 yourself from April going, you know, we'll be going around the second cycle schools to educate the students on social media network and how they can use it for research and other things. Research, because that is the basic thing that the nation needs. Say China say government more access to the fiber optic. Internet connection via nemu and the country be our the fiber optic or timidin sensor and near say Ghana will be there. And now on mine,
Casa Ghana will be other wouldn't say you will be,
but say I'm buying in the cremoire. Obetimi puti measures a block and near maybe through certain IP addresses. Emma and maybe crying yaquine Emma Midra system nim. So be saying what the answer there. And then I debate me and say bed nipa. I'm on what social media nankasani canon was I say. because I want to see ya ofa na say the TBN say the uhunu no sanity
just as my friend social media no kra no me say ba for me say e dey na social media ya say abay ya yakoka obi hu asem o me kra na me ni ma de ko
kofu be brain tia say
until say che nam say okay ndu na
kofu be brain tia say na me educating crofon so say sa contract nsem na ekoso internet no obi an kan no hu say de omoso adwuma yefa untimi blame Facebook from
no we be no say next if you do be no dey aba finish na edru so
enti o click
as when ma be kan na me kan na say nya na ma dem ma ka say menye
adeba kwa me hu say Facebook say obi timi de ne busua pictures obi timi enya place for search
and was sister be on the BB or bia.
And that is the most dangerous thing, especially organizations now will be suffering. I keep the research I might be about social media and organizational productivity. It will get to a point a lot of business productivity will come down not because of doing so, but because the people have aligned themselves to the social media to the point say concentration no more is going on the workplace.
And no next time mobile account 170 administrator and secretary no share them ho no. Wo dey wa dwen say oye adwuma.
Yeah.
And na wa mute sound no.
Yeah.
Nti say a message ne ba na ye tinko na wo wonti bi. But what ho no so. Ade a ode ye no. Man hours are wasting.
Yeah, you getting crofo no mu say social media betimi dia boa. And say me 12 is crime meeting the research be am organization no. And am hu bi say obi TV bi program bi betimi dia ba. YouTube ana betimi no boss organize. Na sorry cry na ye nipadua no cry na betimi dia ton ho aye bibia boa ye ho. Enti indicating crofo no mu no bia nso hu say me use technology bia nso a privacy is very important. So all the phone mo be cry now the channel make sure so when you me was nyina where you free so
yes I was me near that the numbers no
you are the
one say delete why
say the phone mo be repair my you making sure say the money papa your top phones so you don't free the right places to free baby keken so
say ba ku bi abare na fine page kwan no ho
also
say flash
people can plan certain things in phones but those are the circle near no abeto oboto obenya problem be brain
50 yes unuanu asem kan no nipa dodo na no mokasa ni na manya obi a o dissenting view bia as obi a fi say
me papa bia me pen asem na asem o kan Dr. Boje Huapia o say we are peace loving hypocrites Ghanaians we are peace loving hypocrites ebe go for so ye be hwe gadita ye say ye hwe ye nunye say no enu an say nya obi kan no Sebe, your minister, and somehow they stop it. How did they stop it?
In
the same telcos in Ghana, no stop here. And yet, WhatsApp, they stop it. And now Facebook, now the telecommunications company here, they were able to almost stop here. So it can be stopped. Something can be done about it. They be a make and say, "Eya wo banka." Obi ban dia na aba, obi nua dia na aba nieka. Dream who say betumi ato. Ebetumi atu obia ewiase no sesia na sesa enti sese nia na esiti ni bio ye nyina o se ye hwe ye hu ye na ye fa adwen social media addictive me say Facebook I'm addicted
because addictive
say sorry they be out sorry and first now check WhatsApp me WhatsApp is the group me here group na they be a pp order now your friends are broach for now eba and say obi try me say utumi mute sound no and say na me to me
sound be na ebo say kwesi prempe no
oh nim so ne de ho akohim say Instagram Twitter just say baby no be ho woni ni na bia no sorry no why say ocha no why say
person kwa kodware atwa o dware wi a wa shatade yes ba ku wi no kra de watade a obehye kra otimi yikuta no atwa na de akokire mo say hweboa me na me nhye na o gina dem o twen say bebre response na what you see yes o send mo say o da bi she blue no o she red ni na ato na o twen obekọ adwuma te se me am so ho ma che ba adwuma
etesa wadan fofo wadan fofo da eno de me kra me biti you know em biti en kapo me she me kente na me ko bibia me say anti na ya de me travel she ma me biti we anyway ko o si de bi she wo ni fa we she ko wow so addictive but em se senia en me so mesua baby ye nyina ye suasua ye ni tu ye hofo me tell am sika in the world is no more nice ewiase ni patimu esum obi obeka ni obeka cho se middle do ono ana ochine bi
na say
wo do obeyi wa ma
tape bi aba wate Me person me body bi a wo ha na si tape bi aba na yesu obi na
obi voice
bi na aba no
enti media say am sika na mesre yen hwe hu ye sabi so wunnim no bi de ye wa at least no you can deal with it better but when you do it knowingly say wunnim pa say ma sheda say me dofo ni madam funi na me ma na twa me ni ade because me feel say media go na ba out and there it me show because wunnim say I could have prevented it. Wunima Sebi, you can easily forgive yourself. Now wunim krapona, you can still, but it takes more than that. It's especially me no no ban. Yen hwe ye hu ye. Na me charge we dey buy pon Sebi, nyo ne be ma bi na eda. And no sumpo no kra no is something. Mama yen hwe ye hu ye pa. That's why we are empowering women. You still buy beer, know who you are, know your self-worth. Just without we Sebi, why try naked na ye den. And no chesa won ka ho ne eko. And no chesa won your ba. Sebi, omo a yomu du omu nakedness aba eyi no. Omu mu hwan no what say what Yaman award. And now say your friend is no when Yaman award. One year friend is so unko kasa wo baby as a speaker, a motivational speaker and now say 1 year ka say ebia your basima and a woman of substance ye bubo mudin. Ghana emba Sebi nimbe ma ye bubo mudin so we de waya de Sebi na say ya ye mo ye friend say muti o ni ye nua be ma kwame say yes 100 most influential people they no mudin be mu de he ne yes ni din be mu because Sebi we yi ne ho atwa we timi de mesre en fa my yes, let's be crazy, let's have fun, but can we do it without the videos, without the phoning, I mean pictures and all that, you know?
Gift is maybe I don't know, we'll talk about it. Senka question is say Nipa or more thrive on reputation.
Yeah.
I mean the baby are no because of a minimum, you know, or more better limelight always.
Okay,
how should they handle this? Because omona say buy a count more pa it me more and it flatters them. A musician as MBSC that ends it or great gift and yet sad the video be a bubble on team, you know, it shatters them. Some fine people maybe one day we'll talk about it how I see a handle sad because when will be a person who take picture will be a person who be say or no
Valentine's Day your friend saying me see me call a winnie back me come crew match winnie back beach na me now a museum coffee beach na me jansion na no kita camera no I say na utum so say Android you can zoom in tell me I'm see omombra me picture omombra me
trap or say and then if there should be some strong advocacy for say a practice as a convention as a law beer so that being confer will be a medina because as you rightly said the world is not nice,
it's not nice
any longer. Ati kwame obeba na ya twetwe sa nkomo no ehun behia pa ne kwan be fa so a protect security. So maybe
from next month we are going around.
Okay.
One thing I'm realizing is internet has wealth of information on it. And I've come together to have brought some few things together. Say you see around, especially also parents be more poor.
Yeah.
Or team from bank classes But I can tell you say the wealth of libraries are free. I open source so you a young kwalani the nation build up will speed up. So we are going to go around from one SS to SS, GHS to GHS, just to be educating the children. By August, they will be by a train between ages from 10 to 18, how to do computer programming. Obia Colombian papa say, computer, didn't research it. Dear man, I dream at par because it's all here social media and Colombian for crassy. Because shorthand in
no, or true or the brand boss.
Yeah.
Abi no.
You say
kind of
shorthand is an man crepon Kalan we use Facebook, I Facebook depressant. And there's a network in Yajuma, MTN you didn't attend because Hano.
Yeah.
Among Kalani be bribe bomb school company at university level commerce school can notice what you did was Obianca San the only place of finding
and then what is even terrible now is that one will be din komo. Now on also so ne will be a din komo.
Our phone so.
Give this
meeting mu. Ati friend na or WhatsApp.
Yam pony young comrade because yes but here can was no. You na yentias yes, sabi ne amana o call nkan no. said the omu use omu internet no Ghana nya sa na use no and then say universities bi o ho a omo nwene edan a esi ho university bi mu in fact addition ni nyina no platform bi there's this university Staffordshire University almost say transnational education member UK the we will still have you learn these are things then let me mention this Coursera. I've been talking about Coursera.org free almost and then Allison.com okay then there is one so open study Australia for the if I person who Chinese for free on bachelor
homeandlearn.co.uk
I think that is better than Akokrabia or Australia be a winning now Akofa brand picture to
some of these websites near the amount
take me in way back in 2005 me or UK Manko library that
see
me room and I'm telling internet me dey me course ni na me dey pass it
the aka no ye Facebook ni edit ha say ye wi ana ya ba na ye complain abusia for ye de be see ha say the life no ye free wi ase akot na internet so tin say bi say wote a very important and pay ye nua ba gifty auntie e say wo hema and me na me so ni chini ye di na chi gifty needs no introduction okasa ebinamuma emma we say emma emre or so ye TV personality program number so time
8:15
on
GTV and your website no bet me your website no so www.thestandpoint.com.gh so person UTV and send me pay me wasem and send wa share to me call website no www.thestandpoint.com.gh it's so revealing say young people young men no omo ka emba omo pair
it's my back crank baby
no back Clive seriously
Clive Kwame Fosuhine Clive a lecturer info security communication Mount Crest University College omabe kasa papa yen kasa biem e brebe mu na se nyame mayan kwan be se abeto asa nkomo twetwe so if you say bebo ye nyina na emum between now and then me ntwa picture and fam obia if you say so no ntemu sey a unim ni odebeye ero ne beye ne chip wa ka che say wa ansen amma me de be kwa bonten wo so bia na wo fere oh ne me kire no ye pegya ye mu but the programs no de ye be koso ye be san hia biem